What's up, everybody? I'm back for another trade. Let me push pause real quick. I was watching the movie previews for 2020 and 2021. I am ready to see the new Batman, and I'm ready to see the new Dune movie. If you ain't never seen that, you need to watch the old school one. I love horror movies, but let's look at these profits real quick, because I just made a flash of money. I want to show you how quickly you can make money from home. And if you have a nice size bank account, like I know some people do, let me show you how to make some money real quick. So say you got a couple of racks, probably about $5,000-$10,000. I'm going to show you how to flip that real quick. So let's look at the market. So right now we are in GDP USD, right? GDP USD. I don't want to show you guys my money on here, but I'm going to show you how to make a rack. So we got one $10 trade in, one $50 trade in, and another $50 trade in. And we also have a couple of 50-cent trades in. So let me show you how much 50 cent can get you on a trade like this. 50 cent in this trade right now can get you $10.65, right? Right. Those are all 50-cent pairs. Now let me show you what the $5 pairs, the $50 pairs are doing. You see that? It's only a small movement of candles. We've been in this candle since I've been watching TV. I've been missing out on my money. Look, we made an up move, another up move, and then it peaked out. So I missed out on a couple thousand playing around, watching TV and watching music videos. And then it dropped all the way down, touched the bottom, because that's the support, and went back up. So it's heading back up. Let me show you what I made. This is $1 standard. $1 standard gets you $145 off that movement. A $50 movement gets you $730. You see that? So I got two $50 in and $110, right? So that's $110 in. So let's see what we made on the money. $1,600. Your boy over here doing numbers. So I'm telling you, you got a couple thousand. I can show you how to flip that. I would love for you guys to join my Epic Traders, because income tax is coming around the corner. If you can get in the studying that you need, if you can focus, you can become a six-figure trader in no time with an account that size. All you need to know is what's support and resistance, what's a higher high, what's a lower low. So I'm just letting you know, if you got a couple thousand coming back for income tax, or you got a bank account where you can, put a couple thousand into your broker account, let me show you how to make this money. You can do over $1,000 a day. Easy. Easy. So check this out. We are at $1,900 right now. This is live. Now, mind you, I already did over $1,500 today. This is another $1,800 right now. This is on its way to $2,000. Look, almost at $2,000. As long as that bullish candle right here keeps moving up past my little trend line right here, I'll be at $2,000. All I needed to do is come up here. My indicators tell me that this is going to make a move and keep pushing up. We're at $2,000. We just broke it. Look at that. Another candle is forming. We're at $2,000, homie. Let's get that. $10. $10. Let's not lose this money. What's that say? 1,000? $55. 890. What's that? $885. Boy, look at this shit. I'm about to do another 1,000 with that. Keep moving. Keep moving. $975. Fuck it. I'm gonna take it. Cause we can't miss no money. I just showed you how to pull out 2 racks. I've been watching TV for an hour and just pulled out over $2,000. Let's keep going. So let's go back, look at what we got. There's one $10 trade right here. One $10 trade, which is this right here. Says 1.00, that is $10. That's a $1 standard. We're at $190 right now on that pair. You see that, right? That is the $10 one. That keeps moving, I make money. Look, at $200. Let's take that. Boom. You don't want to learn how to trade? Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. You telling me you rather work for somebody else and you can do this? Learn the proper techniques on how to trade. I ain't telling you got to quit your job. You can still work your job. But imagine making this type of money sitting in the break room or sitting in the parking lot before work starts, or doing this when you get home from work. It don't take that long to do it. Now let me show you what these 50-cent pairs I made, because I literally just pulled out a couple thousand right now, and I'm still in, like, I think maybe how many trades I'm in right now? I still got 6 trades in at 50 cents a piece. All of my trades at 50 cents a piece right now are at $11.99 a piece. We finna pull out a bag today. So that means I'm probably gonna be around 4,000 something for the day. Let's keep looking. This is a good holiday for me. All right. So we were, if y'all remember, right here. The next candle has formed and it's still pushing up. It's still moving. I done passed this red line. That was my barrier line to see if I wanted to come in here and make some more money. It has pushed past that line. Let's see what these 50-cent pairs are doing. That's 50 cents. This is what you can make with 50 cents. That is 1 50 cent, 2 50 cent, 3 50 cent, 4, 5, 6. Right? 6 pairs of 66. We're at $88 right now. $80. That's what 50 cent can do for you. So if you got a small account, that is what 50 cent can do for you. I can show you how to do this. Once again, this is not hard. You need to be in my inbox. You need to be in my inbox. So, I'm not bragging. I'm trying to show you how to make money. It is not hard. You have to put in the work, though, to study. I'm not going to just give you the damn game. That's not going to happen. If I'm going to give you the game, you're going to have to pay me to be a consultant. It's not happening. You can call me, ask me questions. I try to help you out, but I am not going through full detail on telling you shit. You want to learn how to do this? You need to invest in yourself like I invested in mine. I pay $100 a month to be a part of a team, a winning team that shows you detail by detail on how to make money. We show you how to do this. We have trade signals. We have 3 live Zooms that we teach you the strategies on how to do this. We have a 2-week syllabus on how to do this. I know there are some other places that people are a part of. There's some other academies. I don't want to mention your name, but a lot of these people come to me and talk to me and they don't even know what the hell support and resistance is. They don't know how to read candlesticks. They don't know what a moving average is. I'm blown away. And some of these people paying like $300, $400, $1,500 to be a part of these groups. My group only charging you $99. If you ain't got $99, you don't need to be even looking at a video of mine. Because we all know that we spend $20 a day at McDonald's. Real talk. We go get coffee every day. I spend $20 in 2 days at Starbucks. Easily. Especially if I go with somebody. So you telling me you don't have $100 to invest in yourself? You're not worried about your future. But I'm telling you this, I'm worried about mine. And the way the economy looking right now, it just goes to show you what's happening right now. It's so many people on unemployment. I want you to go on Google and type in how many people are on unemployment in the United States. Meanwhile, this the kicker. The The stock market yesterday hit an all-time high. How does the stock market hit an all-time high? But the rest of the world, the rest of the country is broke. Everybody is saying broke, 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 but the stock market is at an all-time record high. That might be why I'm making all this money in the stock market or the currency. That's why you should be trying to learn how to trade. I can't say it no more. Forex is recession proof. You know what you're doing, you get paid. You can pull it out like that. You can go look up the research on it like that. If you're a part of my team, you can talk to other individuals like that. So I know I'm preaching, but I got to tell y'all, I just did $4,000 and I'm in the bed. Like, I'm in the bed. I done left, went and got fucking tamales and some motherfucking hot chocolate and Starbucks and, you know what I'm saying, talk with one of my homies for a quick second. And I'm back here trading. I've been watching TV. I ain't left the house. I have not left the house and I made $4,000. And I'm chilling. Like, this ain't like I'm sitting here looking at the damn screen all day long. Like, I periodically glance at this thing. And I only do these videos to inform you. I make my money when I first get up in the morning. I make it overnight. I did $900 overnight sleep. But I'm trying to show you guys how to make this money work. Little money can get you some big money. As you see, let's go back to it. That says 50 cents, 0.05. We are in GDP USD, Great British Pound USD. I don't have no stop losses or take profits in. I know what the market is doing, and we're at $81. Look at that. Every one of these 50-cent pairs are at $10 a piece. So guess what? That's a bill right there. Let's take this money. $9, $9, $9, $10, $10, another $10, another $10, and one more $10. I'm just saying. And how much do you make it work? Do you got to deal with BS every day at work? Come on now. I went to college. Put myself in debt. If I known what I know now about Forex, if somebody had just said, look, man, it's a different way to make cash. It's called Forex. Now, mind you, my sister came at me about this a long time ago. She came at me like this October, right before the outbreak happened. I'm at school and I'm teaching and I'm like, okay, I got a good job. I'm good. I pay my child support. I'm good. This is crazy. So I'm just saying, when someone comes at you with some information, you need to be receptive and take it. Like I said, this is not a brag game. I'm going to go back into a trade right now because it's crossing my line again. We are here. It's crossing my line on the teetering side. We're going to go back into this and we're going to buy it with 50 cents. What you just seen there. Another 50 cents. 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 So I put in 6 trades already. I'm going to put in some more. 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 trades in at 50 cents a piece. I'm looking for this to keep moving, making higher highs, which it's doing right now. Look at that. I just called it out. We're going back into the positive already. 50 cents. We're pushing. That's what we look for. Higher highs. This will be a high. This is the higher high. It makes money. We jump in and we take the profit. You see that, right? Now, if this was $2, it'll be higher. But since this is 50 cents, the count got to grow. Let's see where we at. We had $9 already. That was seconds. Now, we can treat this like the drug game. You know, everybody knows somebody who was making dime bags. You know what I'm saying? They little weed. Shit, just get your money. That's $10. Look, snatch that $10. But look at that. It's pushing. It's pushing. That's $15. That's 12 something. That's somebody's pay for an hour. $16. That's somebody pay for an hour. I just made that. Guess what? We ain't gotta be playing no games. Let's take that shit out. $1. $1. We taking that out. Look at that. Let's take it. Let's take it. All right. So we up here now, right? Yeah. We up there? Let's take off this little thing I just did. Let's draw us another line. I want you guys to see this real time how I get this bread. So since I took out that little quick cash, it's making the money move again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We're waiting for this green candle to surpass this green line. Again. Right? So we at the negative. As the candle moves, we will make money. Just watch. You see it? Now we're in the positive. Again. See what the candle is doing? It's pushing past it. Look at this. We're making money. Just that fast. You cannot do this at any job you at. This is why I make the live videos, so I can show you how to get this bread. Look at that. You ain't got to take the money immediately. You can sit there and let it do its thing. You can put a stop loss in and just chill. So we're going to watch it. You see it's moving? We had dollars already. Another 10. See how it's fluctuating? $7. I don't play no games with y'all. I show y'all I know how to make this money. That's 10 trades. I just pulled out 20 trades straight. No losses. Look at that. That's another $15. Let's take that. Oh, it's $20. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see how far that's moving? Where we at? $22? Let's take that shit out. Boom, boom, boom. Take it out. Take it out. That's another 6. Take that out. Take it out. Y'all had enough proof yet? Y'all had enough proof yet? That's over 30 trades straight. 30 trades in a row. No losses. My candle is still moving. Let's get some more money. So, that's a nice engulfing candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just went in the trade another 10 times. This green dotted line right here is my trade. You see the candle already moving past it? Look at that. We're back in positive again. That is how we make cash. I cannot explain this to you any differently. Why would you not want to learn how to do this skill? If I can do this, anybody can do this. I've taught my 14-year-old how to do this. I teach my nephew how to do this. I taught my baby mamas how to do this, because that don't do nothing but help me out. Teaching somebody the skill to trade is like a beautiful way to help people with their finances. If you can only imagine being able to make the money I just did right now. So I just literally pulled out almost another $200. You know, you have your pullbacks, but you just sit back and you wait. Everything is strategy. It does not take a long amount of time to make money. You can make some money very fast. That is why I get up at 5 in the morning to get my money, because the first hour I'm up, I'm done for the rest of the day. The only reason I do this is because I'm a hustler and I keep hustling. And plus I ain't doing shit. And it's a holiday and I don't have to work. Yes, I have a job as a teacher. I don't have to work right now. So this is why I'm steady with the videos. I make the videos over and over again to show you guys how quickly and how rapidly you can make this money. You can grab out 20 here and there. You can grab out 50 here and there. You can grab out thousands here and there, depending on the size of your account. So right now we're going to wait for the next candle, and we're going to pull that out too, which is about to happen right now. If we get another $10, we're going to take that out. So I can show you that we would have just pulled out more than $100 in less than 15 minutes, because this video hasn't even been going this long. Watch this. Look, we already up there again. Look at that. The candle's moving. It's moving again. It's about to hit a line. Let me zoom out. This is my zone. This candle is on the way to my zone right now. Look at that. We're already in the positive. These are 50-cent lot sizes. Look at that. We had another $10. Should we take that $10 out or wait till we get to 20? This is what I'm talking about. This is a beautiful day for movement. So we have the candle above my buy-ins. It's stagnant right now. It's at what? $9, $8? Let's take it. We in a positive. Who cares if it's $20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We making that money. We making it. What, that's 25, 30 cents? Done. So now we are waiting again, because that is a zone that it was about to reach and it didn't go past it. So that's why I pulled the money out before it pulled back. Now we're going to just sit and wait and see if it wants to drop or doesn't want to continue to move up. So let me pull back a little bit. Okay, so this red line right here is a trend line. Okay, so what I have here is a line from here on up. So that's telling me that this is going in the up direction, right? Boom. So we're going to take this line off. This next line right here is one of my trend lines I put on here for my zone. Because what's happening is, if you can see this clearly, there's been price action that stopped here. There's price action that stopped here. And now we are approaching it here. Let me blow it up. All right. So as you can see, we're here already. But it hasn't passed our resistance. If it passes this, we will go into a buy. But it has to pass this red line. If it passes the red line, we go in here for even more money. I believe we're going to do it. We're going to do it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just did 10 buys in this window, because I do believe that this is going to surpass the level. It's touching the level right now. Look at that. We're already moving. You see the money moving? We have just passed the line. Look at that. So we passed it. Let's look at the 5-minute window. Look at us. Doing quite beautifully. We're up here. We're making a higher high right now. Let's see what we got here. $1 a piece. Look, another $12. $14. I want you guys to see this. You can't do this at work. I want you to know how quickly you can make this cake. Let's take out this money right quick. That's another $10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we had another one. It's still compounding. Let's take out this 60 cent. Boom. We just took it out. I'm sure that was probably 50 trades straight, no losses. Do you think I know what I'm doing? I think I know what I'm doing. Do you think I know what I'm doing? Just think of this. I'm not even the person that know everything about this. I just found out how it works for me. I found certain videos that teach you how to do this. I've put in at least 2,000 to 3,000 hours worth of video watching and strategy testing on how to make this money like this. I can teach you. I do private one-on-one classes. I do that. But I want you to learn how to trade. $99 gets you in. $99 can show you how to get this bag. Is it worth it? Some of y'all will go pay for some red bottoms. Look at this. The money's still moving again. Hold on. The money is still moving, y'all. Look at this. It's making another higher high. We're going to hop in this with a bigger account. Let's do $2 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got $10 in. I put $20 in all together. So I want you guys to see this. That is $2 a piece. That is 0.20. That is $2 a mini lot. So we are going to wait for it to do a pullback because we had all this green right now. So the market has to correct itself, drop down for a pullback, and then it should continue up. So let's look at our line chart. Our line chart is doing that. It's making some ups. That's what we need. So we're going to come back to this video in a little bit as the market corrects itself. Okay, so we're going to let it do its thing. But I want you to know, y'all will go and buy Jordans for $200, Timberlands for $250, red bottoms, Gucci this, stuff that has no value. But it depletes your bank account. Learn how to trade. Learn from my team. We can teach you everything you need to know. This is one thing that someone told me a long time ago. And I was with another company at the time. Shout out to Coach Max. Shout out to Erica Harris. We had a team, and they would always tell you in our little team huddles, don't just focus on the information we give you. Sometimes you got to use your brain and go out there and search the internet for other information. I was like, you know what? That's a really good freaking idea. So guess what I did? I went and go look up other information from other sources. That's just like they tell you. Don't get your news from one source. Look at multiple sources for your news. That way, if you run into a bunch of people that say the same exact thing, guess what? That shit gotta be true, right? It gotta be true. And I just showed you guys how true it is because I'm showing you proof in the pudding. Everything on my wall is live trading. That's why I do it live. That way you can't say, oh, he pre-recorded it. He got some losses. He just not showing y'all. I don't hardly ever lose. I do lose, but I hardly ever lose. I just showed you probably 40 trades straight. I got to go back to the video and actually see how many trades in a row I just did and I lost. Because I've showed you guys multiple times in a row how to grab a bag and pull the money out right then and there. Now, you can pull this money out anytime you want. That's the beautiful part about it. You don't have to keep your money in there for 2 weeks or a week. You can take your money right on out. Transfer it right on out your broker account right to your bank. It might take a few hours depending on the process of how you do it, but you can get your money very quickly. And it's not like you ain't got it because it's sitting in your broker account. This is your bread. It ain't like somebody gonna steal your shit. It's encrypted. So, I don't know what else to tell you guys, but I would love to get an inbox and get my shit flooded with questions. I love talking to people. I love video chatting with people. You can reach me pretty much all the time. Unless I'm with one of my kids, then that's something different. And that's usually after 5 o'clock, somewhere around there. You know, like Big Red said, my office hours are from 9 to 5. No, not me. My office hours is sporadic all over the place, but I make sure that I spend a lot of family time. I don't stay on the markets all day, but I do make sure that I get paid over my goal. And it's hard to stop trading once you see that the money is still rocking. Like, I mean, it's very, very hard. Like, the money is about to start trickling right now. I was trying to see if, while I was talking to you guys, it's going to come out of its little stunt mode and start shooting up again. Because I would love to show you guys what $2 makes this time. Since I was just showing you how quickly you can pull out multiple streams of revenue as far as with 50 cents. I want to show you guys what you can do with $2. I put in $2 10 times. So 10 times 2 is 20. So I got $20 in there right now sitting. And I'm waiting for it to make a higher high, which it is doing, because the market structure is telling me that this is going to make some money dance moves. But it's not doing it yet. But I am going to leave it in there and let it do its thing, because it's above my 20 moving average. My alligator indicator is face up. So I ain't got shit to worry about. But I'm going to leave you guys on that note. I'm going to go back to Starbucks and get me another thing of coffee. I would have stayed in the house and made it, but I ran out of Bustelo. And I like to go and meet new people when I happen to go get my coffee. That way I can holler at some folks. But other than that, I will talk to you guys later. Inbox me if you got any questions. I would love to hear them. If you don't join back in on any of my videos, or I don't talk to you for the rest of the day, happy Thanksgiving or happy holidays or whatever. I know the history of Thanksgiving is not a good one, but it is a day now that we have become more modernized, even though people still crazy, that we get to spend a little time with our families. So love your families. If you can't be around your families, call them, tell them you love them, because we don't know what's going to happen right now with this virus being out. I love all y'all. Salute y'all. Kings and queens. Learn how to trade forex. I'll talk to you guys later.